Today is Saturday and we are going to open door number 7. Welcome. Last day we got this T-handle screwdriver with a bit holder. A solid piece of gear that should last for a lot of years. But I'm unsure about this rubber coating here. How long it will last, because they usually wear off pretty fast. But as I always say, time will tell. Still a really cool little tool. Okay, let's go straight to door number 7. Here we have door number 7. As I said yesterday, it's pretty weird shape, and I'm not sure what it can be, but maybe. So let's get right into it. A bit. So this is what we got this time. It looks like a huge Torx bit. It says HOP 5 × 89. And here it says Wera 840/4. I don't know what those numbers are or what they mean. But I think this is for the handle. Yeah, fits really good. Sounds slack, but I guess it should be like that. Cool. So the handle got its first body. I guess there's going to be more. Okay, so this was everything for today. Next door with this one. This time it's a large one. I'll see you tomorrow. Day 9. No, day 8.